Facebook Part 11. Building a List with Facebook Part 1. If you talk to any successful marketer or online business owner, one of the first things they'll tell you is that you need to build your list. Build your list. Build your list. If you've heard it once, you've heard it 1,000 times. Well, there's a reason. It's because your list is one of the most essential aspects of your business. A subscriber list contains leads that can turn into potential customers. The larger your list, the more customers you're going to get, which results in more profits. Opt-in form. You can place an opt-in form on your Facebook page, which will prompt fans to enter their email addresses so you can place them on your list. In a later section, we'll give you step-by-step instructions for doing this. But this is one of the best ways to build your list with Facebook. However, before you can get individuals to opt in for a newsletter or for email updates, you'll have to appeal to them. There are several ways in which you can do this. Offer email discounts. Everyone wants free items and everyone wants a discount. Let your Facebook fans know that if they opt in with your Facebook form, they'll get discounts in their email box regularly. This will provide them with an incentive to go ahead and add their name and email address. In fact, you can offer them a discount code right up front if they provide you with their email address. Create a post that looks something like this. Want a coupon for 20% off? Enter your name and email address here and you'll get a coupon immediately. Make it a contest requirement. Facebook contests are huge right now. And one amazing way to get a lot of email addresses is to make it a requirement of one of the contests. You can tell your Facebook fans that they get an additional entry if they provide you with their name and email addresses. This is another huge incentive to have them hand over that email address. If you mention that the winner will be verified through email first before it's posted to Facebook, it'll ensure that you get a valid email address. Offer a free report. Create a free report that is related to your industry and make it so tempting that your fans really want to read it. Then have them enter their email address and name in order to have the free report sent to them. It could be anything from 10 unbelievable ways to save hundreds on groceries each month to the shocking truth about vehicle insurance. Just make sure the title sounds interesting enough that it'll prompt users to sign up. In the next section, we'll discuss more ways that you can use your Facebook page to build your subscriber list, which will eventually turn into a customer list.